At number 1, we have the MRM Organic Fermented Cacao Powder. This nutrient-rich superfood is packed with over 300 natural compounds to support your overall health. It's 100% pure cacao with 0 added sugar, making it a clean and powerful choice. Plus, it's vegan, gluten-free, and sustainably sourced. Perfect for any healthy lifestyle. Add this Mayan gift from the gods to your smoothies, yogurt, or baking. Upgrade your health with MRM Cacao Powder.
At number 2, we have the Sunwink Cacao Clarity Mushroom Powder. This functional superfood blend is designed to support your energy, focus, and mental clarity. It combines organic cacao with powerful adaptogens like lion's mane and reishi mushrooms. This plant-based powder dissolves easily in coffee, milk, or smoothies for a natural energy boost. Get all the focus without the caffeine jitters. It's organic, vegan, and non-GMO too. At number 3, we have the Terrasoul Raw Organic Cacao Powder. This isn't just any cacao powder. It's a nutrient-dense superfood, cold-pressed and certified organic. Perfect for your keto brownies, smoothie bowls, or a comforting cup of hot cocoa. It's packed with antioxidants, has 0 added sugar, and is loved by thousands for its rich, non-bitter taste. Upgrade your pantry with Terrasoul and taste the difference quality makes.
At number 4, we have the Viva Naturals Organic Cacao Powder 2LB. This larger 2LB package offers the same pure, unsweetened cacao with a rich taste perfect for baking, smoothies, and hot chocolate. It contains only 1 ingredient, organic cacao powder, giving you pure, guilt-free chocolatey goodness. Plus, it's certified organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and friendly for vegan, keto, and paleo diets. Viva Naturals. Organic cacao powder, the versatile, healthy, and delicious choice for all your chocolate needs.
At number 5, we have the Viva Naturals Organic Cacao Powder. This is your secret weapon for rich, decadent desserts. Swap it 1.1 for regular cocoa powder in any recipe. Or warm up with a cup of guilt-free hot chocolate that's naturally delicious and full of flavor. It's unsweetened, made from a single organic ingredient, and perfect for your healthy lifestyle, whether you're keto, vegan, or gluten-free. With over 24,000 5-star reviews, it's a crowd favorite. Discover the pure, rich taste of nature's chocolate today.